Hi, in this video I will show how to use Excel viewer to import Excel data to Notion. You can see I have Excel Notion open on my desktop right here, and I have Excel file. So the thing is, I don't have Excel on this computer. What I have is Excel Mobile. It's like a free version of Excel, but I cannot change anything. I cannot export anything. Right? File, save as, export this file. Yeah, so that's it. The thing is that I can, however, use Excel Viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside Excel data, Excel spreadsheet, with the formula. So it's not interpreting the formula. So if you want to export data from Excel to Notion, you have to have pure data in it, no formula. If you have a formula, if you have a calculation, it's not gonna work. So, and here you see I have two tables, states and CA, US and Canada states, right? State, state code, region, subregion, same for Canada, code, province or territory name, okay. And I'm gonna export this Excel file. I click on export, save as CSV. It's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay. Click save. Right, so we have Canada, now we have US. Save. Now let's go to Notion and try to import this file. So I will click on this import and select CSV, and I select, so this is Canada first, right? Let's select Canada. Okay, excellent, it was imported. Let's import another file, because in Excel it was two spreadsheets. Okay, importing new page. In Excel it was two spreadsheets, right? And it was saved into two, we saved it into two separate CSV file, and now we importing CSV file. And you can see we have everything imported for Canada, for everything from Alberta to Yukon, and for US, everything from Alabama to Wyoming has been imported. So yeah, that's it. So you can import Excel file into Notion with Excel Viewer. I will leave link on how to install Excel Viewer into description on video, how to install it. And yeah, you can. The only thing, if you have it open Excel file, if you really have Excel and you have it open in Excel, then if you're using Viewer, you have to close it, because Excel like locked file permanently and no other application can access it. So if you close it, you will be fine. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you like this video and you want to see more application like this, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.